The yard of my parents' house, situated in the picturesque valley of the Revúca stream below the majestic rocky altar of Čierny kameň, was the site which I chose for building up my fairy bird garden or bird paradise. In terms of modern ecological terminology, we are speaking about an eco-yard, the bird's paradise. That means 6 dozens of big naturally grown wooden feeders and 2 times more bird boxes for roosting and breeding. The fairy bird garden offers a year-long full service, full board and accommodation. It tops luxury boxes for the plumy little creatures. The community in the Birds Paradise consumes 1,000 sunflower seeds yearly. In winter, when the nature is still hidden corners are lacking sufficient food supply, is the bird's paradise visited by hundreds of tiny feathered creatures. From the family of tits, the most frequent lodgers in the roosting and breeding boxes is dominant great tit. Less abundant is blue tit and marsh tit. As the bird garden is situated not far from a mixed forest stand, coal tit and willow tit are also regular. Nevertheless, less frequent customers in the feeders. The rarest member of the large tit family, benefiting on flower seeds, is crested tit, the really exceptional visitor to the feeders. From the large family of finches, the subscribed visitors to the bird's paradise, siskins, don't corn sunflower seeds especially in winter and visit the feeders in large flocks. Equally abundant visitors to the feeders are goldfinches and greenfinches. These two bird species like relishing sunflower seeds. The abundant local bird community in several times a day visited by sparrowhawk and pygmy owl, hunting for some native feathered beings. Since my earliest childhood, I have been longing for nature, especially the feathered beings, and I wanted to equip my yard with bird feeders and boxes for attracting these creatures. I had to wait for materializations of this child's dream up to my adult age. Some winter days, when I enjoy hundreds of birds crisscrossing my fairy bird garden and turning it to a sort of bird hive, I feel happy as a little boy. The feathered beneficiaries in the bird paradise are already well familiar with their host, and some of them have such a confidence that they come to take their sunflower seeds directly off his hand. For any animal species, this is manifestation of the highest possible confidence. In all conscience, the host of the bird community could never wish a sweeter reward.